Hey, so if your Zen browser tabs are disappearing, closing randomly, or not restoring after restart, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you had important pages open. This usually happens because of session issues, settings, or memory problems. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen browser tabs disappearing step by step. All right, first, open your History or Recent Tabs section to see if your missing pages can be restored. Now make sure the setting to restore previous session on startup is turned on. Close Zen browser completely and reopen it to test if tabs come back correctly. Some settings or extensions may automatically remove inactive tabs, so disable tab cleanup features. Extensions like tab managers or memory savers can sometimes remove or hide tabs. Corrupted session files can cause tabs to disappear unexpectedly. Make sure Zen browser is updated because older versions may have tab recovery bugs. If the issue continues, create a new browser profile to reset corrupted settings. If nothing works, reinstall Zen browser completely to fix deep system issues. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help stop Zen browser tabs from disappearing and keep your sessions stable.